So I got a question from a subscriber recently, and they asked, how can I organically grow my Instagram following fast and create a more successful business? My top 7 tips coming up inside this video. Hey, my friend Garrett Berry here, and I make videos teaching entrepreneurs how to get more leads and sales on social media. So if you want more videos like that, go down, subscribe right now, and click that notification bell so you're always notified of more videos just like this. So my very first Instagram marketing tip is one that so many people overlook, but it's so simple, and that is you want to promote your Instagram account using other social media sites, okay? So if you have a following already, maybe on Facebook you have some likes to your fan page, or maybe on Twitter you have some good followers there, you can actually tell people on those sites to go follow your other Instagram profile. When you do that, you're actually leveraging these different followers and you're building a bigger following on Instagram. And what this is going to do is give you something called social proof. Social proof is when someone wants to do something because other people do it. And when someone sees your following start to grow on Instagram, other people will follow you because they want to follow what other people are doing. So my second powerful Instagram marketing tip is to actually use the traffic you're now generating on Instagram and send that to something that can further the sale, okay? This can be a blog, this could be a capture page if you're building an email list. The whole idea here is you want to take the people that you're building as a following, the people that are coming to know, like, and trust you online, and then promote your sales material, okay? Get people closer to making a decision. This is going to allow you to actually turn the following, rather than just getting a big number, and actually turn it into money into your bank account. So my third tip with Instagram marketing is to know when and how much to post. Now this is so important because a lot of people, they go on Instagram and they post random times, okay? They don't post on purpose and they wonder why they're struggling to get more likes, comments, and followers. What you have to understand is you want to build a consistent posting schedule, okay? Post around the same time every day. The reason is unconsciously your followers will start to expect that value and content from you at that time. And as you start to post consistently at a certain time, you're gonna also notice your engagement go up. Now, as a bonus tip on top of this, you can actually find out and test when people respond best to your posts, okay? So maybe you notice in the morning, you're always getting more comments, or maybe in the afternoon. So what you want to do is schedule that daily consistent time around the time most people are already engaging with you, and then you're going to notice your results dramatically increase. I'm about to head on to more powerful Instagram marketing tips, but before I do, I just wanted to invite you to grab my free Instagram training down below. This is where I get into way more step-by-step detail. I actually hop on my computer and you can actually see how I've gained so many followers and some of my nitty-gritty tricks to turn that into sales and income for you and your business. So my next Instagram marketing tip is to use consistent branding. You know, if you're wanting to grow an audience, if you're wanting to grow a business, you need to have consistent branding. If you look at all the other top Instagrammers or top businesses online today, they have very consistent branding. You know, they use similar images, similar types of colors, similar hashtag branding themselves and their company. So what you want to think about doing is, the first thing I recommend is to decide on a few colors that you tend to like, you tend to already be using in your pictures and videos, and start to use more of those colors. Start to create possibly even a logo around those certain colors, because this is going to allow you to stand out. This is going to allow you to get people to follow you in the news feed of Instagram as they see those colors, and it's really going to add to that. Another bonus tip is you can actually start using a branded hashtag, okay? So when you start to add your hashtags to your photos, also add one additional one branding you or your company, okay? You can put in a certain name, you could put in maybe something that's just relative to your following. And when you do that, you're going to be able to, again, stand out and build that consistency and more engagement down the line. So my next powerful tip is you don't want to be hard selling on Instagram. A lot of people that want to build a business, they want to generate income, they're posting really salesy, really direct ads on Instagram. Instagram is more about telling a story. You know, they say a picture tells 1,000 words. Well, Instagram is mostly made up of visual imagery. So you want to tell a story, especially in your caption. When you write the caption, don't try to just blatantly pitch people. Don't try to just sell directly. You want to instead tell a story that's vulnerable, that actually relates to your audience, okay? Get people to know, like, and trust you, and actually open up about why you're doing what you're doing, why you're excited about helping people. And when you do that, you're going to be able to relate to tons of people who are following you and seeing your posts, and you're going to actually attract way more high quality customers and clients down the line. So again, share more story-based rather than promotional, and you're really going to notice some dramatic results. Okay, now my next tip is to choose the right hashtags. You know, a lot of people, they just kind of find random hashtags, they throw them on their picture or video, and they hope it sticks. They hope it works. And this isn't the way top Instagrammers do it. What we do is we actually find hashtags that are not as competitive. Because if you want to rank yourself in the explore page or the top page on Instagram, which is where the hashtags that you tag your pictures and videos actually show up, if you want to end up on the top of there to potentially get thousands of followers in a very short time, what you want to do is actually go after hashtags that are less competitive. Okay, and the way you can do this is you can actually head to Instagram, type in on the search bar a type of topic or the niche you're in, or a word describing one of your last posts or pictures. And then what you want to do is you want to see how many other posts have been done on that hashtag. And what I like to recommend people is stay between 100,000 to 500,000, okay? Depending on your following, if you're just starting, I would do, around 50,000 other posts. And this is going to allow you to stand out quicker and attract more high quality people. Okay, now my next powerful tip is to use Instagram stories. You know, it's no secret that Instagram stories, ever since they released, have been getting tons and tons of traffic and eyeballs from people on Instagram. It's actually been estimated that 300 million people are using Instagram stories every single day. So if you're not on Instagram stories, you definitely want to hop on there. Now, how do you actually go about doing it? Well, Instagram stories allow you to upload pictures and videos that only stay active 24 hours. So it's similar to Snapchat if you're on there. Basically, the whole thing is you want to just be consistently on Instagram stories, be top of mind for your potential clients, your customers, your followers, so people continue to follow you and watch you. You know, again, this goes back to posting consistently, which I cover a lot in my channel. You want to post consistently on your Instagram story, thus just staying, again, when people are looking for a solution, you'll stay in their mind and they'll choose you over your competitors. So now you know some of my best Instagram marketing tips, but how do you actually start turning this into sales and money for you and your business? Well, be sure to grab my free in-depth training series below, revealing exactly how you can start generating over 50 leads a day on Instagram. So if you like this video, be sure to click the like button below, share it with your friends and business partners, and be sure to subscribe. Last but not least, comment below which of these tips were your favorite, how are you going to apply this to your business, and I will see you in my next video.